Welcome to class 10 students. Today in this video we are going to start with second part of exercise 6.3. In this question I'm going to start with second question in which triangle ODC is similar to you given to you OBA. This one is 145 and this angle is 70 degree. So what you have to find angle DOC, angle DCO, angle OAB. These three angles you have to find. Simply what you will do, these angles are on same line. No? If this is of 125 degree, so this would be, by using linear pair, you can make it 55 degree. Right? And if this is 55 degree and this one is 70, by using angle sum property of triangle, you can find this angle. Right? That is OCD or DCO, right? It would be 55 degree, right? Now OAB would be 55 only vertically opposite angles, right? OAB. If this is also 55, by using vertical opposite angle, you can say that all the three angles is of 55 degree. That's it. Hence proved. So coming to the next question, in which in this figure angle 1 is equals to 2 given to you. QR upon QS is equals to QT upon PR. This is given to you. What you have to show, triangle PQS, this one, this triangle, you have to make it congruent, similar with TQR, right? This complete triangle, right? So what we will do for this, angle 1 is equals to 2. It is given to you, know. If it is given, we will use this, right? How we will use? If 1 equal to 2, you can say that PR is equals to PQ. Reason being, sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles of triangle are equal, right? How 1 equals to 2, PR equal to PQ? Just opposite, 1 PR is there and opposite of angle 2 is PQ side is there. So you can say that PR is equals to PQ, right? Now it is also given, what is given? That QR upon QS is equals to QT upon PR, right? So you can write it QR upon QS is equals to QT upon PQ because PR is equals to PQ. So I'm going to write over here like this, QT upon PQ, because PR is equals to PQ, no? So at the place of PR I'm going to write PQ. Reason you have to write over here, that is PR is equals to PQ. That's why we are doing like this, right? So if by doing reciprocal, you can say that after reciprocal you can say QS upon QR is equals to QP upon PQ upon QT, right? This would be, no? On taking the terms reciprocal, you can say like this, no? Now if QS upon QR and QP upon QT are equal, right? So in this triangle PQS and in this triangle greater one, you can say that now in triangle PQS and triangle TQR, we have angle PQS is equals to angle TQR. These are equal, right? Because PQS equals to TQR. What's the reason? Common angle. In both the triangles, angle 1 is common, right? So you can take one thing as common. Now the next thing is this one that you have proved above, that QS upon QR is equals to QP upon QT. Proved above. Two sides are in proportion and one angle is equal. By using side angle side similarity criteria, you can make them congruent. Therefore triangle PQS becomes similar, congruent, not congruent, it's similar. PQS will become similar to triangle TQR.